Look at this big, beautiful orangutan. See, he's looking at us. Now watch, he opens his mouth a little bit. You can see he had something in his mouth. He wanted to show us some food or something. I'm not sure what. Now watch what happens. It'll be a while. He's going to come visit us and get closer, and you'll see what he'll do. It's really interesting. Let's keep watching. And you tell me what this means, what he does. Just watch. Here he comes. Swings the thing. Look at him. He's going to come right next to the window. And listen.
Hi. You're so cute. Hi. Look at you. Look up. Look at. Yeah, touch it.
Show him the picture.
Hi. Touch his nose.
What was he trying to tell us? Something wrong with his eyes? He wants food, or he just wants to play?